Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a shoulder sway swizzle neck break. Now, I know that sounds like a bit of a mouthful, but it is exactly what it says on the tin. You do a shoulder sway, it gets you into a swizzle, it gets you into a neck break. I have heard various other names for this move, but none of them really tell you what you're doing. They're just like Bob's move, as I've heard so many times. So you need to know how to do a shoulder sway, you need to know how to do a swizzle, and you need to know how to do a neck break. Links in the description below. If you've got those in your repertoire already, then you are ready to do one of these. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. R1 and 2. There is a way you can slow down one of the tricky bits, so if you're learning it and you're struggling, we'll show you how to do that later on. But initially, we'll assume we're going to go for the full-on version. So it starts exactly like a shoulder sway. So right to right, semicircle back, wrap the lady to the shoulder. We're going to pick up the spare hand. We sway the lady back, we sway the lady forwards. Little twist in to the left. So the lady wants to go to the right next. As you send the lady forwards, you're going to let this left hand relax and drop down so it folds up behind the lady's back. As the lady continues round into the swizzle, the guys chase, take the right over the lady's head, switch into a nice neck break hand position. So as the lady goes back, you're now ready to bring her forwards into the neck break, prepare, and then it's just neck break to finish, all the way round, and face, return, and back. So let's talk numbers. Semicircle back, 1. Wrap to the shoulder, 2. Sway the lady back, sway the lady forwards with a little twist, so you've got a nice prepare coming on. So there's 4. As we're sending the lady out, we drop the hand, we come all the way round and comb the lady, 5. Preparation, 6. Neck break, 7. Facing, 8. Returning, 1. And back, 2. So let's try that to account and see what happens. 5, 6, shoulder sway, swizzle, neck break. We go back, wrap, sway, sway, and comb. Prep, big turn, face, return, and back. If that little bit in the middle is causing you trouble and you want to slow it down a little bit, just going to show you the option. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, swizzle, comb, prep. So you take account for the swizzle and account for the comb as opposed to doing them all together. It does take some of the flow out of it, so it doesn't feel as nice, but it is a nice legitimate step for learning it if you're struggling. Okay, so I hope you find that useful. We will be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Use a recommendation on the end in the little windows that come up, something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.